In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly highlight posts automatically in Reddit. This is a great way to keep your community updated on what's been happening, without having to remember to make the same post every week yourself. First, make sure you're on the subreddit where you're a moderator. You'll need moderator permissions for this, because the tools we're about to use are only available to mods. Once you're on your subreddit's main page, look for the option called Mod Tools. Depending on your layout, this might be on the right-hand side, or in a drop-down menu, but it will be clearly labeled. Go ahead and click Mod Tools to open your moderation dashboard. Inside Mod Tools, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage posts, users, and automations. For this tutorial, we're focusing on setting up a recurring post. Look for the section labeled Scheduled Posts. This is where you can see anything that's planned to be posted in the future to your subreddit. Click on Scheduled Post to open that page. On the Scheduled Post page, you may see a list of existing scheduled items, or it might be empty if you've never set one up before. To create a new one, find and click the button that says Create Post. This will start the process of making a post that Reddit will publish automatically for you. Once you click Create Post, you'll be asked what kind of scheduled post you want. Here, choose the option for a recurring post. A recurring post is one that Reddit will repeat on a schedule you define, which is perfect for weekly threads, highlight posts, or regular check-ins with your community. Next, set the frequency to weekly. This tells Reddit to post this automatically every week, on the date and time you select. Take a moment to consider when your subreddit is most active, and choose a time that makes sense for your audience. Finally, add a clear, engaging title so people instantly understand what the post is about. For example, you could use Weekly Highlights, or Top Post This Week. This kind of title helps users recognize that this is a regular community feature and encourages them to check out or share what stood out over the past week. Once everything looks good, save or confirm your scheduled recurring post. From now on, Reddit will automatically publish your